Welcome to the Electromagnetic Motor Research Workshop's website. Hatter Research Laboratory. The address of the website is electricmotor.sub.jp/. The name Hatter Research Laboratory is derived from the motor, which is a power source for electrical products and machinery. The site, Hatter Research Laboratory, introduces the single-phase induction motors with low noise and vibration-less torque that we are researching, and provides a brief description of the patent we hold. Single-phase induction motors under this patent have the following characteristics and effects when using the commercial frequency AC power supplies. Characteristics: 1. Torque is at maximum when the rotation speed equals 0, and it decreases as rotational speed increases. 2. The input current is constant regardless of the additional capacity. 3. Inrush current will not occur at the time of startup. 4. Torque vibration will not occur, regardless of frequency and rotational speed. Effect: 1. Under light load, operation with non-stage speed control is possible. 2. Under the heavy load, operation with a low rotational speed control is possible. 3. It is low noise. Nowadays, at a time when there are electrical products everywhere and everybody just expects that a machine equals something that works or is working, people tend to forget the existence of motors. However, there are motors wherever something is moving. Motors work as the driving force for various machinery and apparatus in our daily lives. They make a contribution to our society and support us quietly behind the scenes. The Hatter Research Laboratory is located in a barn in a farmer house in the countryside, and aims to commercialize single-phase induction motor with low noise and vibration-less torque. Torque means the turning force of the motor. Our daily lives are inundated with electrical products and machinery. Thus, our theme is a quiet and comfortable environment. Hatter Research Laboratory has continued to work on quiet single-phase motors without vibration. The principles and structure of this invention is simple. 1. Optimal design of the shape and material of the components for generating the maximum torque with the minimum energy. 2. Magnetic field analysis of magnetic and electrical circuits. 3. Application of carbon nanotubes to the drive conductor or application of the compressed magnetic powder cores to the magnetic circuits. There are many research themes such as those mentioned above. If you browse the Hatter Research Laboratory homepage and take an interest in our research, please contact us. Also, if you are interested in research and development of applications, we can pass on our know-how to you. We hope that our know-how for single-phase induction motors with low noise and vibration-less torque is helpful, and that new products which take advantage of this motor will be created.